Okay, now we are going to add some darker lines to the roof so that you can start understanding कि उसके अंदर कुछ तो texture है. So you could use the green and blue का combination that was there. You can use brown and blue. जो भी dark color हमने use किया है इसके अंदर कोई भी आप ऐड कर सकते हो. एंड जस्ट यू कैन जस्ट गिव लाइन्स. एंड इफ़ यू नोटिस इट्स not a straight line. It is a broken line. Somewhere it is thick, somewhere it is thin, but there are horizontal lines that are parallel. So that is something that you need to remember. ये रूफ़ के आगे का एक पार्ट है. इसके आगे और एक छोटा सा रूफ़ बाहर आ रहा है, वो लेटर ऑन हम डिफ़ाइन करेंगे. उसका एज ए बेस हम डिफ़ाइन कर रहे हैं. So you get some idea of there is some roof that is there. And now we're going to use the right hand side. We're going to do the right hand side green color. You can use a thicker brush for this and use the lighter green that we used before. And you can just very lightly give, don't try and give any form. While it is still wet, you can use the darker color. And you can allow the lighter green to blend into the darker green. Darker green को थोड़े dots light green में भी डाल दो. And this is another darker color that I just used. Whatever was there on my palette, I just used to define नीचे का side. The way we've done in tree, ऊपर light green, नीचे dark और एकदम नीचे सबसे dark. I'm just putting dots, shapes, colors on this side. This is the green and blue color combination that we used below the roof. So you can see some places मैंने छोड़ दिया है background color. You can do that. It gives a natural effect. And this area I want to use a little bit of yellowish color, so I'm going to add a little bit of yellow and burnt sienna. Oh, I'm going to define that area. So first I'm making that line. जहाँ पे वो turn हो रहा है, तो वो road का जो turn का जो line है, वो important है. And again, you don't have to make a straight line. उसको jagged line बना सकते हो. Jagged मतलब broken line. So I've sprinkled some darker color because I want foliage का effect. This is थोड़ा येलो ऐड करके, बट देर इज़ नो स्ट्रिक्ट रूल. बेसिकली आपको वो एरिया में ग्रीन कलर डालना है और एकदम राइट हैंड साइड पे कॉर्नर की तरफ थोड़ा डार्कर कलर होना चाहिए. दैट्स द ओनली रूल. देन यू वांट टू स्प्रिंकल ऑल्सो, यू कैन स्प्रिंकल. यू वांट टू पुट डॉट ऑल्सो, you can put a dot. Absolutely okay. And like I said, I wanted to add a little bit of yellow and burnt sienna. तो उसके नीचे I'm going to add this color. Yeah, so while it is still wet, it will also go down, blend. So there is some kind of reds and yellows that highlight the flooring and the right hand side, etc. Now that's the area I want to work. I need darker areas over there, so I'm going to add a dark green. And green and blue wala combination. Okay, I think I'm going to use a rough brush technique, which I've shown you all before, where on this side I'm trying to give some kind of a texture above the plinth area. पहले green से किया and now I'm doing it with brown color. So you see how it becomes. This is the dry brush technique. So there are just some textures that I want to give over there, highlighting the road. So now you can see road का दो lines, left hand side की green की वजह से और right hand side की green की वजह से. Again, I've added, darkened uh, the base, the plinth line, and as usual I want it to flow down, so I'm going to again just throw water. So even if you don't have a spray, it's absolutely okay. And now whatever is left, I want to give smaller textures, so I'm just sprinkling ekdam nazdik se, and this is a dry brush which I'm just moving so that it falls. So there is no strict rule for textures. This नीचे का part में मेरे को एकदम texture देना, I want to add colors, I can do whatever I want at this lower area. That's the most fun area. I think I'm going to add a little bit of yellow, because yellow and red. So this thing I want to complement. So while it is still wet, just here and there, giving some textures. At some places उसका base work जो lines है वो भी दिखेगा. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to build this painting through layers. Yeah, so we are trying to use a dry brush technique again, because these steps look too solid. So I'm just want to add some textures between the lines on the threads. So at some places I've just added some dry brush. This is black. This is pure black that I'm using. And with this black we are going to really give more details. So जो आपका roof है उसके नीचे you can add this black, and you can add dotted instead of a complete thing, to give more contrast to your painting. So we are trying to define a little bit of roof and all of it. So you can see green के जगह पे I put little spots also. तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि green थोड़ा आगे है. ये roof का एक दूसरा part है. We will try and give texture to this part later, but basically this is gable roof का आगे का part. Again, you can just define the roof का area. This black color is mostly for definition. This layer now is mostly for definition, defining and fine tuning the entire layer. So I'm just adding some darker colors here and there. The line, जो ये line है, इसको थोड़ा break करके कहाँ कहाँ डाल रहे हैं, dots डाल रहे हैं, कहाँ line डाल रहे हैं, just to give some textures. There is no clear rule. I've just done any random texture. You may want to not have such a rigid line at the the U shape that you see for the steps, but you may want to, you may not want to, it's absolutely okay. Again, I'm just adding some random lines here and there, and I've added some dots to create texture with a thin brush, but you can get small dots with that.